The next heading is composition of gross domestic product, that is GDP. Indian economy is broadly divided into three sectors. First one is primary sector, also it is known as agricultural sector. Agricultural sector is known as primary sector, in which agricultural operations are undertaken. Agriculture based allied activities, production of raw materials such as cattle farm, fishing, mining, forestry, corn, coal, etc. are also undertaken. So agricultural activities comes under this primary sector. The second heading is secondary sector. It is also known as industrial sector. Industrial sector is secondary sectors in which the goods and commodities are produced by transforming their raw materials. Important industries are iron and steel industry, cotton textile, jute, sugar, cement, paper, petrochemical, automobile and other scale industries. So these all industries come under the category of secondary sector. Third one is tertiary sector. Tertiary sector is known as service sector, which includes government, scientific research, transport and communication, trade, postal and telegraph, banking, education, entertainment, healthcare and information technology. So these are all the departments which comes under the tertiary sector. Contribution of different sectors in GDP of India. Service sector is the largest sector of India. Gross value added, that is GVA, at current prices for the service sector is estimatedly 92.26 lakh crore in 2018 to 2019. India is second largest producer of agricultural products. India accounts for 7.39% of total global agricultural output. So நம்ம தான் வந்து agricultural product இது பண்றதுல second placeல இருக்கும். So total global agricultural outputல நம்ம 7.39% நம்ம produce பண்றோம். In industrial sector, India's world rank is 6 and in service sector, India's world rank is 8. Contribution of agriculture sector in Indian economy is much higher than the world's average. So world லே வந்து 6.4% தான் இருக்காங்க. So அதை விட Indian agriculture வந்து ரொம்ப ஹையா இருக்கு. Contribution of industry and services sector is lower than the world's average. 30% for industry sector and 63% for service sector. But we are very low in service and industry sector. Economic growth and development. As per the economist Amartya Sen, economic growth is one aspect of economic development. Also, United Nations see it like this. Economic development focuses not only on man's materialistic need, but it focuses on overall development or rise in its living standard. So what this United Nations is telling about this economic development is, it not only focuses on man's materialistic need, but also it should focus on the overall development and also its living standard. So நம்ம நீட மட்டும் மெட்டீரியல் நமக்கு எவ்வளவு நீட் இருக்கோ அதை மட்டும் நம்ம ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணக்கூடாது, ஓவரால் டெவலப்மெண்ட்டையும் நம்ம ஃபோக்கஸ் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னு யுனைடெட் நேஷன் சொல்றாங்க. எக்கனாமிக் growth. It is the quantitative measure which considers the rise in the output produced in an economy or nation in a particular period in its monetary value. The key parameters of economic growth in any economy or its gross domestic product and gross national product, which helps in measuring the actual size of an economy. So GDP is a key parameter which is used to measure the economic growth. Gross national product, that is GNP, is a parameter which is used to measure the actual size of an economy. Economic development. Economic development projects a broader picture of an economy which takes into account an increase in production level or output of an economy along with an improvement in the living standard of its citizens. It focuses more on socio-economic factors rather than the just quantitative increase in production. Economic development is a qualitative measure which measures improvement in technology, labor reforms, rising living standards, broader institutional changes in an economy. Human Development Index is an apt tool to measure the real development of an economy. So, this economic development should not focus only on the quantitative increase. It should also focus in the qualitative measure. அதாவது எவ்வளோ குவான்டிட்டி நம்ம ப்ராடக்ஷன் வந்து இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணுறோம் அப்படின்றதுல மட்டும் இருக்கக்கூடாது, அதோட குவாலிட்டியும் இருக்கணும். அண்ட் ஆல்சோ இந்த டெக்னாலஜி, லேபர் ரிஃபார்ம்ஸ், ரேசிங் லிவிங் ஸ்டாண்டர்ட்ஸ், ஸோ இந்த மாதிரி எல்லாத்துலேயுமே வந்து அந்த எக்கனாமிக் டெவலப்மெண்ட் அப்படின்றது இருக்கணும். Human Development Index. So this is the tool to measure the real development in an economy. So that's all, this lesson over.